So far, we have circumstantial. I'll be honest, I will call a spade, no? Circumstantial kasi it's based on the testimony nung dalawang, si alias Ken at alias Jen, based on the accounts ng sinabi ni Kong Jing Paras. Pero nadagdagan na to nung nakilala na. Kasi later on namin na-establish yung mga lawyers eh. Which is by statement sila ngayon na yung mga lawyers mismo rin nagsabi that the payment will be coming from Congressman Leandro Libiste.
The lawyers said that?
Yes.
That the payment will be coming?
Yes.
The lawyers...
Client nila si Leandro Libiste at yung bayad na ibibigay manggagaling doon sa kanilang kliyente na si Leandro
Nandun po
Libiste.
sa affidavit?
Nandun siya. Nag-supplemental affidavit na ngayon yung ano.
Yes, si alias Ken.
Yeah,
di ba?
sinabi niya na rin yun sa nung lawyer niya sa interview.
Yeah, but
That's why I can
aside from him, sir, aside from alias Ken, in the what else links Congressman Leandro
yung
Libiste?
lawyer na nag-represent sa kanya, when we check, member of the law office. Dito. Yes. Then yung mga postings niya, pag pinag-aralan mo, which we check already with our CCD, it will reveal something eh. Nag-establish siya ng parang pattern eh. Kasi May 17, nag-post na siya na sino yung mataas na opisyal ng bababae dyan sa Rockwell. May ganun na. Tapos after 1 week, May 26, nag-text na si Jing Paras.
You mean, sir, to clarify that text or Facebook post possibly that he posted,
Facebook, sir.
sinasabi mo, premise na yon, prequel na yon doon sa plano.
Kasi doon, if you will look at it, that is an innocent posting. Pero ngayon na may nangyaring ganito at may nahuli na ganito, pwede na nating bigyan ng kahulugan. If a reasonable mind will believe na teka muna, parang connected to. Pati lugar.
Sir, so tomorrow, what's going to happen is they're supposed to show up because pinasabina po sila.
Yes.
But so far, what we know is that Congressman Leandro Libiste is out of the country. Sabi mo nga, bon voyage. Di ba? Are you expecting one?